That is the best looking bread I've seen. But we want to try everything. We want to try everything.
I haven't eaten all day.
Did he just say he hasn't eaten all day?
I haven't eaten.
Okay, so this is what I ordered. I ordered the hamachi, a wedge salad.
And what was the third thing?
The third thing was the bone marrow.
Which is gross.
And then I also ordered the salt-baked dorada. It's in a lemon butter sauce. And then I wanted the steak as well, so I got the filet. And for sides, I got mushrooms and cream spinach. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? You wanted the sauce. Okay, we will skip the sauce.
I went with clam chowder. Ooh, it's gonna be good. And I also went with the wedge. And I also went with the hamachi. Is it hamachi?
Hamachi crudo.
Hamachi crudo. Those are my starters. And then Dan suggested, I'm not sure about this one, shrimp and grits.
You like shrimp?
I don't know about grits.
Oh, grits are
And
good. They're done
main,
properly.
I got New York strip medium. And then my sides are going to be mushrooms and asparagus.
Okay, we're gonna see how it goes.
I got Diet Coke.
And Diet Coke. Joe is gonna break into this. Oh, wait, open that up. I gotta see. Oh my gosh.
So soft inside here.
Pull a piece out. Oh, I love how this is done. I can smell it. Okay.
That's all it is.
Oh my gosh. All right, put a little butter on it. Did you put that whole thing in your mouth? Are you dying? Is it delicious? So Joe's gone to heaven. Okay, folks, we wanted to try just about as much as we could off the menu. So this is what we have. Ooh, look at that, Joe. You got a show. There's your clam chowder.
Yes.
Yes, and this as well.
That's great.
Thank you. Okay, so this is my wedge salad. We have 3 little wedges. The bone marrow. That looks pretty good. This is the hamachi crudo with a sauce. And then you guys saw Joe's clam chowder.
It looks really good.
And he also has a wedge and the hamachi. How does this taste?
Damn good.
Is it good? Is it damn good? Okay. The hamachi. It's light, a little tart, a little sweet. I kind of liked it. This is the thing that Joe's very scared of. Now, it comes with massive Texas toast. And how do you do this? You scrape the bone marrow out. Taste. Yeah, a little bit. We drowned it, but I think the bone marrow is good. Toast is dry. He's cracking me up because he's always in Fortuna. It's like our cutlery at home. I looked at it and said, this looks like ours at home, except ours is a different color. Joe always looks at the cutlery. He's so funny. This is what it looks like. We have these, but they're brown. All right, I got the filet. Joe's got the New York strip. Now, I also ordered a fish because I wanted to taste it. And then we have mushrooms, cream spinach. Joe has shrimp and grits. And he also has asparagus.
What I just do.
Oh, did you take the butter? He put the butter on the steak. Yeah, I know, you learned it from my grandfather. Let's see how the steak tastes. Oh, is it good? Okay, I gotta taste mine. We're not done because we have
What is baked Alaska?
dessert. Baked Alaska is gonna be good. We have to get that. They have dessert, drinks, coffee, and tea. And we have, the wake, chocolate mousse, short crust, I can't. Meyer lemon cheesecake, baked Alaska, apple tartine, and coconut panna cotta. Where do you see berries?
Fresh berries.
Where?
Coconut panna cotta.
Oh! What are we getting?
Baked Alaska.
Should we get two?
We have to try one of each things. Shit.
We have to try two or what?
We're gonna bake Alaska, coconut pancetta. What else you want?
Panna cotta.
Lemon cheesecake.
We ordered 3 desserts. I don't know. We got the wake, which is their signature dessert. We got baked Alaska, and then a coconut panna cotta. This is the coconut panna cotta, baked Alaska. That's the wake. That one's a chocolate mousse. How does that taste? Here, give me a little bite. It's on a cookie crust. Whoa, look at this. Okay, I gotta taste this. Okay, that's decadent. Really rich.
Yours next.
It's almost like a cookie. We're gonna do the panna cotta. Oh my god.
Is it like a yogurt?
Yeah. It's like a pudding.
Good?
It's so good. Like, it's really good, Joe. Here.
That's good.
Wait. It's like light, tangy,
Granola.
a little bit. No, it's coconut. That's the coconut
Roasted
bits.
coconut.
It's toasted coconut. Baked Alaska.
Use my spoon.
Use your spoon.
You're into it, baby.
Now, Baked Alaska actually has ice cream in the middle. Okay. It's sweet. I can't eat sweet sweets. Joe's gonna like it though.
Tastes good.
That's what a baked Alaska is. It is. It's like ice cream. Because it's a pistachio ice cream, I think. Of course you like it. I like the panna cotta. I would have to say the baked Alaska was your favorite.
That's how you eat this one, I see. No, it's good.
Really? It's a cookie.
I know I eat it.
It's a cookie. It literally is like a cookie. Everybody, I would say if you can do a more than once visit during your cruise to the Wake Steakhouse, do it. absolutely worth it. Every single dish was wonderful. So make sure you make your reservations before you board, and then double tap. He's still eating the other desserts. I can't with him. He's ridiculous.